a great bike. It was solid, it was light, it rode so smooth. And actually, I think my favorite part about it was the fact that I could actually squeeze on the brakes and not feel like I was gonna fly off the handlebars. The gears, they shift very nicely, very easily. I can also take it right into the grass and not have any issues with turning, stopping. I don't often get something that meets everything that I'm looking for.
Named after Ben Stites, a favorite Schwinn employee and legendary bike mechanic, the Stites urban-style bike with 700C wheels is perfect for sunny day cruising and speedy city riding. Ben loves to ride his bike to work every day, no matter the weather. In fact, he doesn't own a car, so we consider him an expert on how bike performance can and should complement a year-round cycling lifestyle. The Stites is crafted for riders age 18 and up and is available in 2 different frame sizes for the perfect fit. Like Ben's daily excursions, the Stites is right at home in urban settings. It's built with a tough and durable steel racing frame and fork for an extremely agile ride that really connects you to the road. Simplicity and versatility are hallmarks of this lightweight bike. Check out its convenient flip-flop hub that lets you choose between a freewheel or fixed cog. This allows you to seamlessly switch from classic single-speed coasting to no-frills fixie riding. Ben himself likes to change it up daily, riding fixed on the way into work, then coasting it all the way home. There's plenty of stopping power thanks to the dual alloy caliper brakes, and the high-profile alloy rims are strong and lightweight for a stable, smooth ride. Focusing mainly on pure riding, the Stites' simple design incorporates an urban-style seat and grips for supreme comfort and sleek style. And like all Schwinn bicycles, it's backed by a limited lifetime warranty for as long as you own the bike. Ben would love to see you out there riding, but don't bother waving. A quick head nod will be thank you enough.
I didn't think it would work from the start. Remember our first ride? Punctuality is big for me.
Oh, come on. That's because you didn't send me the address until super late.
I was nervous.
Do you even remember where we ended up on that ride?
Of course I do.
And you didn't have anything planned out that day?
I had some things planned. Aren't you the one who taught me the best things happen spontaneously?
Discovery is half the fun.
Yeah, it is not down on any map. True places never are.
Okay, thanks, Shakespeare.
Actually, Herman Melville said that.
You never told me that was the day.
You rescued me?
What do you mean I rescued you?
You were like coming home. So comfortable. So familiar.
I still don't see how that's rescuing you.
Not like the old days when I kept myself chained up in the house. You set me free.
It was so beautiful outside that day.
You were beautiful. Are beautiful.
And don't forget stylish.
And so humble.
Please, Mr. Versatility.
I can't help that I'm good at a lot of things.
I did not think we were going to make it up that hill.
I didn't either. You showed me a whole new gear. That was the moment I knew you were the one.
You still haven't answered my question yet. Where did we end up that day?
Exactly where we needed to be.
Which was... where?
Parked at the most beautiful sunset of my life.
our life. And it was worth the wait. Do you think humans love each other like we do?
I think they're getting there.
Not without us.
Not without us.
When it comes to producing quality bikes that stand the test of time and keep you riding comfortably, you can count on Schwinn. The Schwinn Discover Urban Bicycle makes your comfort a top priority during daily commutes and casual rides. Its durable, lightweight aluminum design includes a suspension fork and an alloy crank, while the adjustable stem supplies a custom fit. The swept-back handlebar lets you sit upright as you cruise over paved surfaces and bike paths. The 21-speed SRAM grip shifter and Shimano rear derailleur make changing gears fast and easy, uphill or downhill, while Pro Max alloy linear pull brakes give you incredible stopping power when you need it. Cushioned grips, a padded seat, and a rear gear rack round out its commuter-savvy details. Plus, fenders add classic style while keeping dirt and debris off of your clothes. Designed with 700C-sized wheels, this bike is great for adult riders 5 foot 4 inches to 6 foot 2 inches tall. And just like other Schwinn bikes, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty for as long as you own the bike. Enjoy the freedom of riding a Schwinn.
The bike was super fun, and when it went against the wind, I felt like I was an angel, flying, soaring. It was lightweight. It was not heavy at all. This bike is everything that I need.
The toughest question to answer when buying a bike is often, which is the right bike for how I want to ride? The Schwinn Vantage line of RX road bikes and F-Series sport hybrid bikes is so versatile that this question becomes very easy to answer. All Vantage models are designed with convenient rack and fender mounts and feature innovative Schwinn Smooth Ride technology, or SRT. SRT inserts an elastomer isolation unit with 15 millimeters of travel between the seat stays and the seat tube for a little extra play. This works to dampen vibrations and absorb bumps without added bike weight, resulting in a smoother ride that you can enjoy on longer adventures. The Vantage RX can replace a road bike, hybrid bike, or a commuter bike all in one. Featuring a light aluminum fitness frame and carbon sport fork, the RX series is comfortable enough for higher mileage rides, sturdy enough to take the daily commute, and can tackle gravel trails with extra wide tires. With the RX2, you get a full Shimano 18-speed drivetrain and reliable mechanical disc brakes. Step up to the RX1 for a 22-speed SRAM drivetrain, SRAM hydraulic disc brakes, and an anti-shock elastomer stem. Either way, you'll enjoy a smooth ride as you speed around town and beyond. The Vantage F-Series are durable and versatile bikes, which can easily be an everyday ride that doubles as a flat bar road bike. Comfortable and efficient, they're at home running errands, on morning commutes, or on Sunday rides with the family. The bikes get lighter and more capable as you go up the F-Series line. The F3 features a chromoly fork, mechanical disc brakes, and a 21-speed Shimano tourney drivetrain. Step up to the F2 for an alloy fork and a more versatile 24-speed Shimano Acera and Altus drivetrain. Finally, you can shed weight with the Vantage F1. It comes with a carbon fork, Shimano hydraulic disc brakes, and a 27-speed Shimano Dior and Altus drivetrain. Trade up to the Vantage series bike with confidence, knowing that Schwinn has the quality you trust. Enjoy the freedom of riding a Schwinn.